It's official. Mamelodi Sundowns and Rhulani Mokwena have part ways. So yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns released the statement on their social media. So yeah, they say Mamelodi Sundowns and Rhulani Mokwena agree to part ways. Mamelodi Sundowns and Rhulani Mokwena amicably concluded an agreement bringing to an end Rhulani Mokwena's employment as head coach. Sundowns wishes to express its gratitude to Rhulani Mokwena for his contribution to the success and achievement of the club during his tenure as head coach. Rhulani Mokwena will forever be part of the Mamelodi Sundowns family, and the club wishes him all of the very best for his future endeavours. This decision was taken by the board, taking into account the objectives and expectations of the club, and was not influenced or based on the recommendation of any individual associated with the club. Sundowns is deeply committed to the development and growth of South African coaches and players. Coach Manqoba Mngqithi and the technical team will continue to lead and take control of training and preparation of the players for the upcoming season. Mamelodi Sundowns is preparing and focusing on competing in all the upcoming competitions and is honored to be one of 4 football clubs representing African continent in the historic Club World Cup 2025. So yeah, that's the statement that Mamelodi Sundowns released, saying that Rhulani Mokwena is leaving the club. They've reached an agreement to say that yeah, he should leave. Yeah, so speculations are that him and sporting director Fleming Berg were not seeing eye to eye, especially in terms of transfers and also in terms of style of play. So yeah, it seems like the club decided to take the sporting director's side, and yeah, Rhulani decided to go. So yeah, what do you think of this move by Mamelodi Sundowns? Is it a good move to get rid of Rhulani? And also, who do you think they are going to get as a coach? Will they get a European coach or will they get a local coach? Let me hear from you. And also, where do you think Rhulani should go next?